Story time. Baby bird rescue. Hi, I am Dora. Boots and I are going to explore the forest. I hear a little chirp. What do you think it is? We found a baby bird. Maybe she needs our help. What should we do first? Are you hurt, baby bird? Baby bird says no. She is looking for her mother. Baby bird must be lost. Baby bird wants to return home to her mother. Where could her mother be? We can search for her. Baby bird chirps. She is thirsty. Let's get her water from the spring. Now where can we find baby bird's mother? Is she in the water? Is she under the flowers? Or is she in the little blue tree? Yes, she is in the little blue tree. We did it. Here is baby bird's nest. And here are her mother, her brother, and her sister. They are so happy to see her. Good work. Baby bird is back home. How can we help baby bird? Read this story to find out and learn all about the R-controlled vowel sound. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.